Question 10. We have a rectangle ABCD where our diagonal BT has a 35-degree angle and our length here is 12. And the question is asking us to find the perimeter of this rectangle. In order to find the perimeter, we're going to need to add 12 and 12 for the top, along with two unknowns that we need to figure out, which is the height of this rectangle. So in order to figure this out, we've obviously been given the 35-degree angle for a reason, and the fact that it is a rectangle means that we have right angles here. So the following triangle that I'm drawing is right angled. We have two sides involved and we have an angle involved, so we're going to be looking at our trig ratios, or SOHCAHTOA. The sides that are involved in this case are the opposite side to the angle and our adjacent side to the angle. You could also identify that this is the hypotenuse and realize that we don't care about it also. So opposite and adjacent is going to be our tan trigonometric ratio. So tan of the angle, I'll use theta instead of x here, just so it doesn't confuse as much. Gives us opposite over adjacent. Our theta, or angle, is this 35. So substituting that in, I'm going to have tan of 35. Our opposite is x, and our adjacent is 12. In order to figure out x here, or get it by itself, I'm going to have to multiply both sides by 12 in order to get rid of that over 12. So what I'm actually going to type in the calculator here is tan of 35 times 12. Safer way of actually doing that would be to write the 12 times first, just in case anyone forgets to close that bracket. You might end up with an answer that is not correct. And I can't get the dark blue here. There we go. And when I type down to the calculator, we get 8.402 blah, blah, blah. The reason why I'm keeping all of that number is we have not got to the end of the question yet, so don't round. So our perimeter is 12 plus 12 plus this 8.402 dot, 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 plus another one of them. We could have technically doubled these as well. What you're actually going to type into the calculator is your answer button when it comes to adding these. So you're going to have 12 plus 12 plus ANS button plus ANS button, which gives us an answer of 40.804, so on and so forth. And that rounded to three significant figures. First, second, third significant figures, which means the rounding happens here, giving us our final answer of 40.8 centimeters. Done.